Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition.
So today we're in Hour of Code, the Villager and the Illagers. So the basic story is that there were two villages, the Villager village and the Illager village. So they knew how to live together without the help of the other village. So now we are uniting them through 6 tasks. So today we're going to go into the Villager village, and we're gonna go fix the farm. So we're gonna go past the Ravagers.
Ravager looks so scary.
And then go past this bridge. So we're gonna talk to this farmer villager. So the farmer says, something keeps tearing up our beet farm.
Oh no!
I'll just bet it's that scary Ravager those Illagers keep as a pet. They keep denying it, but who else would do this? Do you think you could build a fence around the farm to keep that Ravager out? So we're going to start activity. So you can see foxes over there. So they're the real things that keep destroying this villager's farm. So we're going to press C to code.
Yeah, because they're over there.
Okay, so we can do move, and the agent can give itself arm bars, which we need to build the fence, and the agent can place the bars down. Okay, so first we're going to do how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to do 5. So first, what I range, then we're going to do 5, so repeat 5 times. We'll do agent dot give arm bars, comma 1, so because it will repeat. Then do agent dot move forward, so it'll go forward because right now it's standing on the stone block. We don't want it to build the fence on the stone block. We're gonna build it on the wood blocks. So then we're going to do forward, and then we're going to do agent dot place
the arm
bar. So now we're going to run. Let's go.
It's just looking at agent give.
Slot numbers. So we're going to do two ones. So we're going to So we're going to do agent, let's see, here's where, we're going to do a comma. And do here, comma. Okay. Now it's oh, we're going to do the direction forward. Right? Place 1 down and place 1 down. So we don't want to place forward, we're going to miss 1 block. Down. Now we're going to okay, so we missed this one, but we'll go back. Okay, now we have 3 iron fences here. So now I'm going to change the direction. Is it still 5? I'm going to do 3 from 5, yes. So now we're going to go left. So we're going to change the forward to left. Now we're So now we have another side completed.
Okay, so now we're going
to move 1 more time. So we're going to agent dot move left 1 more time so it stands on a stone block. Okay. So now we're going to do that code again, and we're going to change the left to backwards. Okay.
So it moves backwards.
Yeah.
So the agent won't crash itself because you coded to do whatever it's supposed to do.
So now I'm gonna do this. Okay, so now when you move backward again,
One more time.
I'm gonna do agent dot move
Backward.
backward. Okay, so now we have one more side. So we're gonna do that code again. This time, we're gonna do right. So we're gonna change the left to right. Okay. So now it's another side completed. So again, we're gonna move one more time left. And do see, yes, left. Don't want to run the code. Oops. So now, okay. So now we have one more block, so we need to do agent move forward.
And then place the iron bars down.
Agent dot give iron bar to 1, and then agent dot place 1 down. Okay. Okay. Oops. When you place these fences down. Okay, so now we have completed it. And talk to. So the caretaker says, thanks to the fence around the villager's farm, we discovered it wasn't the Ravage digging up the beets, but a pack of fox that were the real culprits. Then the caretaker says, the villagers learned how important it is to get the facts before making assumptions or judgments. Don't forget to check on your trees. So now the foxes can't go inside to eat the beetroot anymore. So now we're going to look at our tree. So now it's growing.
Oh, I just saw like little shadows of it.
Yeah, now it's growing up very big out of the tower.
Can it burst out the stone?
It's very, very big. So the illagers and villagers are now starting to more work together and be friendly to each other again.
Create a big community.
Yeah, well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.